Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be talking about how to recover my WhatsApp account without phone number and without email. So this process is quite difficult and it's not really secure that you're gonna recover your account. Why? Because WhatsApp has privacy and security options, really strong options that are not gonna allow any people to recover their account without a verification process like the phone number or email address. So, first of all, perhaps you have activated the two-step verification into your WhatsApp account. So, this is going to help you because you're going to let a different mobile number or a different email address in order to recover your account. But if that's not the case, what you must do is go into your web or mobile or whatever you want to do and open whatsapp.com. There, what you must do is scroll down until you find the option Contact Us. There, you're gonna obtain this option, WhatsApp Messenger Support. So I'm going to click here for Contact Us. And you must to leave all your data, your phone number, email address, confirm your email address. What do you use WhatsApp? So by now, let's suppose in Android or iPhone, and enter your message here. So here you must describe your case and be really specific, so WhatsApp is going to be able to help you in perhaps any way. But as I told you, this is quite difficult because this is going to send you a verification code through your mobile number or kinda. So I really hope you're going to have success in this process, and remember, be really specific about it. Thanks for watching this video.